Welcome to our InDesign tutorial. Today, we'll explore how to seamlessly integrate hyperlinks into your projects. First, let's open your document. Navigate to the page where you want to add a hyperlink. Select the text or object you want to hyperlink. This could be a word, phrase, or even an image. Now, go to the Hyperlinks panel. If it's not visible, you can find it under Window Interactive Hyperlinks. Click on the Create New Hyperlink icon. Enter the web address or PDF link in the dialog box. Finally, click OK and watch your hyperlink take effect. You're all set for a professional finish. Congratulations! You just hyperlinked your first InDesign document. Let's keep enhancing your design skills. Remember to save your work frequently. Links won't work if you don't save your document correctly. For more tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Let's keep creating stunning designs together. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions about hyperlinking. Until next time, keep experimenting with your designs. Happy designing and hyperlinking!